I'm going to walk you guys through my treatment plan with my MACY-PAN 2202. This chamber here can go to 2 atmospheric pressures. For me, in recovering from my surgery, I'm diving at 1.8. Different depths for different reasons. You know, for overall just health and wellness and longevity, I think 1.5 is the best. For brain injury, 2 atmospheric pressures. That's why you want to go to something like that. That's why I have a machine that goes that deep. And MACY-PAN is the best. And you can also do a self-treating, which I'm going to walk you through. So first things first, I like to make sure that my pressure release right here, like when I want to get out, I can release my pressure here. But I want to make sure it's closed so that I can build the pressure up while I'm in there. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to turn on my oxygen concentrator, right, which will turn on the whole machine. And I also turn on my portable AC unit. I won't really need it right now. It's cool, it's nighttime, it's winter. So I turn it on though just in case it gets too hot in there. I like to do my treatments at night because I work out during the day. I let my body heal from the stressors before I get rid of my inflammation in here. So I get rid of my inflammation, I'm not getting the gains I need from my workout. So I like to do it at night as well as it helps me sleep, okay? So over here, just turning this on so I can see my gauges. Oh, I got it off still. I gotta turn it to, I'm gonna do a 90-minute dive, okay? So this is the timer here. In case I fall asleep in there or something, it'll turn off no matter what, okay? So now it's on. It's gonna be on for 20 minutes. This is just, I mean, I'm not out here to read it for someone that's out here, but this will tell me what my pressure is at, what the oxygen levels are at, the temperature, all that good stuff, okay? So here we go. When I get into my chamber, this is why it's self-treating. I got a button in here. Then once this is closed, I can turn it on and off, as well as my oxygen in there and also a light. As you can see, I got my oxygen mask for the, breathing my oxygen through. Got my headphones for watching some Netflix or whatever it may be. I think I'm watching Severance right now on Apple TV. So, time for a dive. See on the other side.
What?
You can talk.
Turn the light on.
Oh, turn the light on for you. Okay, so you can see me. See this beautiful face. Oh.